Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. Victoria Leigh here, and it has definitely been a while, but today I am so excited to jump into a brand new video. My video might look a little bit different today, and that is because I got a brand new camera and I am so excited to test it out and have a better video quality for you guys and for the channel as a whole. I have been using my phone this entire time and I finally have a real professional camera to take videos with, and I am super excited. So for today's video, I wanted to do an updated vanity tour. I know I promised this a while ago on my channel, but today is finally the day that I'm going to show you guys the updated version of my vanity. I had done a vanity tour months ago, probably almost a year ago now, and I expanded my vanity and I've added a lot of new things, so I wanted to show you guys that as well. I know a lot of people liked seeing that last time. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so I'm still figuring out this whole camera thing, but I just want to give you an overview of my vanity and then we'll really dive deep into it. So I wanted to start with this stand right here. It's actually new. In my last video I had a smaller one, but it was a little bit wider, but my dad actually built me this one instead. So this is where I keep like most of my hair products. I've really been into like the Olaplex, trying those out, and then other, you know, hair products in the back. Same with this over here, hair products, and then down here I have a bunch of perfumes and creams, and then on the last row I just have really important skincare that I use on a daily basis. So that is this little section that I love so much. And then we move to the first little shelf part of the vanity, and I got these little cute signs. This one says bad vibes don't go with my outfit. So true. And then I just have like little things hanging around that I don't really know where to put. But yeah, I'm always looking for suggestions on how to decorate my vanity because I truly don't know. So please feel free to comment down below and let me know any suggestions you have for a way that I can display things better on my vanity, because I'm not that great at decorating. But when we go through my vanity, the first drawer is just my foundations and my concealers and other things, like my comb is in there, tape for when I need it for doing a different eyeshadow look and stuff like that. Then I go down to the second drawer, and in this drawer I have all of my little Stila and e.l.f. glitters, and then I have bronzers and blushes. So that's what's in this drawer. In the next drawer I have my false lashes, my setting sprays. It's kind of a modge-podge of things. I have brow products and mascaras, along with a bunch of eyeliners. The next drawer, little tiny bit messy, hair products like hair ties, bobby pins, stuff like that. And then all of my Ipsy bags. This is like literally filled to the top with Ipsy bags because I have so many and I don't know what to do with all of them. And then in the last drawer, I have all of my hot tools. So my straightener, my Revlons, my curlers, and then just little clips and stuff. So that is a portion that you guys kind of saw in my last video. And then, as you can see, I added this really cute, ooh, let me let it focus, this really cute photo on top of my vanity of eyelashes. I thought it was so cute and just added a really nice touch to the whole vanity and its look. And then I got this really cute beauty blender holder. And it has like this little diamond on top, and I store all my beauty blenders. And honestly, I don't even use the beauty blenders that are in here. It's more just for show. This is a really nice mirror that I got from Amazon. It has 3 different light settings. I actually have to change the batteries, which is something that I should have done before this video, but can't win them all. Look how cute this little beauty blender stand is. Like, this is what I use for my everyday beauty blender, and it just sits there and I love it. Another new addition that I added to my vanity was this black makeup brush holder that I also got off of Amazon. If you look at my old video, my other makeup brush holder had like beads in it and it was clear, and I wanted a more mature look to my vanity, so I wanted something like really sleek and black, and it literally holds all of my brushes. It has 6 different sections for my brushes, and yeah, it holds all of them. These are just little things to clean my brushes off. They work really well. And then to the side here, I got this makeup brush holder at HomeGoods, and it fits a lot. It keeps, like, you know, my eyelash curlers and then just other brushes that I don't use as often. I keep those to the sides, some perfume, and then just some clips for my hair. I also got this other cute sign that says wake up and makeup. I know, kind of corny, but I thought it was cute. And then of course in here, it looks like a mess because I have run out of room, but this is where I keep my eyeshadow palettes that I use the most often. If anyone has any suggestions on how I should organize this to look better, please drop a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. I will not be offended. I could really use the help on my decoration skills. And down here I just have little makeup travel bags that I use for when I travel. I have my clear chair with my little fuzzy pillow that I showed you the last time. And then my newest addition is this entire drawer. So the last time I did a vanity tour for you guys, I only had 1 drawer, and now I have 2. So I really expanded and have a lot more room for new products. So when you open this first drawer over here, I have my face powders and then a bunch of primers. So my liquids, my putty primers, all of that good stuff. And look how much room I have in here now. Like, I can fill this up. I have so much room and I am not running out of any space. In the next drawer, I have all of my highlighters. This is literally just highlighters. And again, so much room to fill up to the top if I needed to. I haven't even been using highlighters too often these days, but I have collected so many over the years that I thought it was necessary that highlighter have their own drawer. My personal favorite drawer is my lipstick and lip gloss drawer. So as you can see, there's not really a way that I know how to organize this. I have this little plastic thing that holds like the square lipsticks, but they always fall and stuff when I close the drawer. So I kind of just have them all piled up in here. I have so many, and it's just so satisfying for me to look at how many I've collected over the years and how many I have bought. So yeah, this is my lipstick drawer, which is the last really interesting drawer because the next one is just a bunch of skincare. So during the pandemic, especially when it first started, I got really into skincare and I bought so many things that I thought were good for my face. Face masks galore. I have all types of creams, serums, everything, and at the end it actually ended up making my face 10 times worse than it looked before. So I don't really use any of this, but I don't have the heart to throw any of it out because I spent so much money and time researching these products. So I hope one day, once my face is like in check, I can go and revisit some of these things. But this whole drawer is just skincare. My last and final drawer is all of my other eyeshadow palettes. I have a bunch and a bunch and a bunch here. These are the ones that I don't use as often, so they're kind of just like piled up. And I have some more beauty blenders, and yeah, it just goes all the way back with a bunch of palettes, probably like 100 palettes I have at this point. That is really the updated version of my vanity. I love it so much. This is like my little safe space where if I need to just relax, this is where I go. And yeah, let me back up so you can see it as a whole. I love it so much, and I love being able to show you guys. So I know I said it in my last video, but I'll say it again. The entire vanity, like the mirror, the tabletop, the chair, and the 2 drawer sets are all from Impressions Vanity. They're all there and you can find them on that website. And everything else, like I said, I just kind of bought on my own. Like this is from HomeGoods, Amazon, HomeGoods. Even this actually is from HomeGoods. They have a lot of cute pictures and stuff. So I got this from Home Goods as well. And yeah, this is my vanity, guys, and I hope that you liked it. All right, guys, so that was just a quick little updated vanity tour. I thought it'd be fun to show you guys all the new stuff that I've added over the past year. And yeah, just show you guys my favorite place in my house and my favorite place to kind of sit down and de-stress when I need to. So I hope you guys liked it. Comment down below and tell me your favorite part of my vanity. And as always, I will reply to any questions that you guys have, any comments. If you want to know where anything is and I didn't tag it in the description down below, just leave a comment and I will definitely respond back to you and let you know where I got something from if you are interested in that. Like always, please like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps my channel a lot. And as I've been growing, I really appreciate all the love and support that I have been given so far. I did want to say that I definitely will be uploading a lot more now that I got my new camera. As I said earlier in the video, I had been using my cell phone, which ran out of all of its storage. So anytime I tried to take a video, it would last for like 10 seconds and then tell me that I needed to clear space. I cleared so much space and it didn't resolve the problem. So now that I have an actual camera, I don't have to worry about the storage anymore, and I'm really excited to film more content for you guys. So stay tuned for the next video, and as always, thank you for watching. Bye guys.